Welcome to Santo Antônio de Lisboa. So this is a little Azores in Brazil. As you can see, the buildings are so gorgeous. They are built in the Azorean style. So most of the people in Floripa actually, they're descendant of the people that came from Azores. You can see the old church behind me. I think it was built in the 1700s.
Yeah, so nearly or around 300 years old. We went in there and said our prayers, of course.
Yeah.
So, today we go to Rio, and our first stop is the drone store to replace the drone I crashed yet again. Bags in the front seat. Bye, thank you. Obrigado. All right. Next stop, Rio.
Looks like a nice airport.
Looks like a nice airport is right.
isTivi aqui.
isTivi aqui. I love what she wrote on the cup there. I absolutely love it. isTivi aqui. So in true JetLag Warriors fashion, we are here 1 hour before the gate opens. So the gate opens 2 hours before the flight. We're here an hour before the gate opens.
You know I get nervous during travel
when
days.
Ivana's in charge, we're on time and we're organized. When I'm in charge, the drone's in a tree.
It's all right, Steve.
So we're going to the most beautiful part of maybe the world with no drone. Very clever guy I am. Very clever guy. Anyway, look at this airport, by the way. Super nice airport.
Super nice. Tons of shops around.
It's like beautiful airport.
Yeah.
And we'll chill for a bit and then we'll fly to Rio. So pro tip, buy some stock in DJI, the drone company, because single-handedly I am making that company rich. Every 8 months, new drone. Every 8 months, like clockwork.
Oh no, maybe someone is selling their used drone.
Looking for a used Mavic Mini 2.
Yeah.
Because we got the remote, we got the batteries, we got the cables and the hardware, we just don't have the craft.
Yeah.
In the tree. Anyway, let's go to Rio.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Stevie.
Only in Brazil, beach tennis at the airport.
Only in Brazil. Beach tennis at Floripa Airport. Wow. That is something special. All right, let's go. All right, we've checked in and dropped our big bags. And I will say shout out to this airport for being everything you want in an airport. New, clean, quiet, organized, air conditioned, you name it.
I think this is one of the best airports
One of the best airports we've ever been to, and it's super quiet.
Yeah.
Super nice. And I'd like to take this time to extend my sincerest farewells to Floripa and Santa Catarina as a whole.
I'll see.
I love this place.
We'll come back, maybe. Even live here.
Definitely come back. If we win the lottery, we live here.
Yeah.
I love it and I miss it, and I'll be back with a new drone.
Yeah. Well, we're so excited for Rio.
Next stop, Rio.
Yeah.
First, a hot dog. And then, Rio. All right, let's fly.
Obrigada, amor. Here we go.
Rio, 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 Rio de Janeiro. Touchdown Rio de Janeiro, or should I say Rio de Janeiro. I think that's proper pronunciation, Rio de Janeiro. Anyway, we're here, and I will say this, first plane ride of my life where disembarking the plane, the passengers all waited their turn.
Yes.
The front of the plane went, and then the middle of the plane went, and then lastly the end of the plane went. Shout out to Brazilians, orderly and respectable. Never seen that before. Usually it's a lot of this. Right?
True.
Totally smooth. All right, here we go. Rio. First glance of Rio. Uno momento, por favor. Duas bagaginho. Made that up. Tá bom. Okay, good job, Ivana. We were able to get an Uber and avoid a little bit crazy taxi scenario. A lot of yelling. Taxi, taxi, you need taxi? Hey, can I help you? You need taxi? All right, let's do it. All right, we have made it to Rio. So we've been to our accommodation, we dropped our bags, and now we are walking down the street. You can probably see we're using our phone now, and I'm sorry to repeat the safety concerns, but to be honest, I think it's a 50-50 split. About 50% of the local Brazilians who have commented on our channel are saying watch out in Rio, very dangerous. And about 50% are saying Rio's not dangerous. I've lived here 20 years and I've only robbed 3 people. No, I'm kidding. But I just mean it is about a 50-50 split. And so we are using the phone now. And lucky for us, our friend Art has been in Rio for the past week or 10 days or so. So we're going to meet Art now and maybe we can get a safety briefing as well as have some cerveja. I will say, first impressions of Rio feels very similar to the rest of Brazil.
They're selling Palmeiras.
They're selling Palmeiras gear. Oh wow, Palmeiras. Palmeiras.
Campeão. Aí.
Tá bom.
Espera pra você.
No, it's okay, thank you. Obrigado. And Christ the Redeemer. I gotta love the sellers
he's so
in
nice.
Brazil. So not pushy.
Yeah.
They're funny, interesting, and then they keep it moving. Super nice guys. Okay, next stop we will. Beach is too far for the phone, babe. But next stop we'll go see Art and have a cerveja.
Okay, tá bom.
Tá bom, let's go.
Found a
Ask me my favorite city in Brazil. Rio de Janeiro. They got Canadian stores, which unfortunately out of business.
Oh no.
I don't know what it was. Canadian V. Something behind the sign.
All right.
Shout out to Canada. All right, this is here.
We're going to this Boteco right here, right
The sign
beside
says
it.
Boteco, which means it's probably not a Boteco.
Okay.
Right?
Right,
This is
you're
a-
right. Yep.
Not
yep,
a real
yep.
one, but still a nice bar.
Yeah, nice bar. Look at just right here. Okay. Let's grab a seat somewhere.
Shout out to Art for ordering this beer all for himself. What do you know? We thought it was a pitcher to share. Turns out it was a solo. Oh, good pour. Not bad for that beer.
Yeah, we needed the nipple.
The nipple over here. This 1 liter personal beer.
And we got pernil sandwich. What do you got? Chicken sandwich?
Yeah, chicken with salad, yeah.
I
Very
will say
nice.
the pernil in Sao Paulo, better. But we just got the safety briefing, so we should be prepared for some good content. There's lots to do, lots of beaches, lots of history, lots of food, lots of good stuff coming, I think, from Rio.
Right.
So fingers crossed and good vibes only, because I think the Rio trip is just about to kick off.
All right.
Here we go. So now we're gonna finish our lunch and finish our 1 liter of beer. We can do it, and then we'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, Bella. Look at that, guys. And again, 2 in a row. Hotel Canada. Favorite city in Brazil? Rio. 2 times Canada today.